Hey y'all, my name is Kizzy and I'm NottaNailTech. Today is Recreation/Inspiration Day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I do these type of videos every now and then because I learn so much from YouTube and YouTubers, and I want to see if I have retained anything or test my skill level. Now today's inspiration is going to come from this set from Lissette Cruz. Now I chose this set because I'm not a real floral girly. I've never liked floral designs. But when she did this, I was like, oh, this is hard. I got to do this. But I never did. So I want to go back and see if I can recreate it now. Now let's not say recreate. Let's say inspired. Because first off, I don't got all the stuff she got. And I'm not going to get it today. So we're going to use what we have and see what we can come up with. It's like kind of sort of like that maybe. A little bit. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right to it. Oh, notifications. Okay. So I was having issues with my notifications. So if you weren't able to click the notification bell, that should be solved, okay? There's no help on YouTube for creators unless you're monetized. So I think I fixed it. I don't know, but that's another reason for you to like, comment, and subscribe so I can get monetized. That's up to you. All right, let's go get some nails done and see what we can come up with. All right, so today I got to be gentle with my hand because I'm struggling. That pinky seen better days. All right, we're going to start by pushing back these cuticles. Just gently, lightly pushing them back. Now I'm going to use this bit, which is similar to the square bit I usually use, but it's circular on the end or domed on the end so it doesn't hurt I don't want to touch my cuticles. So I ain't got no fancy drill. I can't tell you the RPMs. We got low, medium, high. We on low. Okay. And I'm gonna just whip through these, taking the shine off my nail real quick. Prep and prime. And these are the nail tips that I'm going to be using today. They're extra long, full covered tips. Got these from Temu. It says beauty starts with your fingertips. I heard that. So, fun fact, I've never used tips before. What kind of? Okay, I used tips about 25 years ago. Wait a minute, did I just say 25 years? Hold on, is that right? Wait a second, I'll be back. You carried it too. Damn, yeah, 26 years ago. Oh my God. Oh man, that's a bummer. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, okay. So about 25 years ago, I got one of those like little kiss kits from the beauty supply. Yeah, that didn't come out too well. So hopefully we do a lot better this time. But yeah. Anyways, tips. Yeah. Go ahead and size these bad boys out real quick. And that looks like a pretty good selection. All right, now, Lissette uses the rubber base coat from her line. Told y'all, I ain't got everything she got. I gotta use the rubber base coat I got over here. I don't know if it's gonna adhere like hers adheres. I don't know. We're just gonna have to try it. I do hope to get some stuff from her line one day, LNG or LGN Pro. I really hope to get some of her stuff one day, but you know, today we ain't got it. So I'm gonna put the rubber base coat on and try to adhere that tip, and hopefully it stays. All right, it's on there for now. All right, so remember I told you I don't have the stuff she has, so I don't have the foil that she used. So I gotta open up my nail art book and try to find a floral foil to use. So this is my floral foil selection. So this one is probably the closest to what she used, but I don't have the charms to match that. So I need to find a floral that'll match the charms and stuff that I got already. But this one, yeah, that one's close. but it's not gonna do. Oh, that's my whole floral selection. I think I'm gonna use this one because I have the stuff to match this one. I got pink and white flowers and shit. So yeah, we're gonna use that one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Lift Off old bottle. I've had this for a long time. The brand doesn't exist anymore, but like I said, this is what we got. So this is gonna be the foil transfer gel. All right, and smooth that on. I think she mostly did the tips. Cure it. Put that on. I'm sorry, I'm out of focus here. There we go. All right, take my sponge tool and rub that right on in. And I'm gonna just rub it down, baby. I'm gonna rub it to death. And let's see. Oh, that came out beautifully. Let's try it again. Throw that on. Rub her down. I mean, I'm rubbing the heck out of it. I want it to stick. And when you think you're done rubbing, rub that shit in some more. Make sure I get every nook and cranny of it. And peel it off. Pretty good, but I got a little part missing there. Alright, get that fall. Line her up how I want it. Lay that thing down. And rub her in. You just keep rubbing it. Now I know I keep saying you, but baby, this is not a tutorial. You know, like when you're in the kitchen and you may be cooking, and then you be like, you know, you take a teaspoon of salt and put it in there, and just a dash of pepper and put it in there. And you know how you just talk your way through it like you're on a cooking show? That's what we doing right now, honey. This ain't no tutorial. I'm just talking my way through it. And we got it on there. Okay. So I'm just taking some builder gel and putting some color on there because I think that's what she did. And it's just to put some color on the nail bed. Now she used her hard gel and did it, but I already know. So I just builder gel here. They got some color, so this is what we're gonna use. And I'm gonna dollop that on there. If you notice the name of my channel, I'm not a nail tech. I am just a girl at home in her nail room / kitchen / studio, just trying to make things happen. Okay, this is all I got. But we make some dope stuff. So this is your first time here, stick around. We make some dope things. I ain't no nail tech. All right, now that we got that on there, right? She encapsulated everything, or she built the nail. She built the nail using her clear hard gel. Okay, I got a hard gel here that is a odd texture, y'all. This thing is strange. It don't look like how hers look. Now it's very old. This jar is very old and it's cold. I only use this to like seal in stuff. I don't build nails. I don't really build. But but I'm gonna try. Okay, so she said to put a slip layer on. Right? That's what she be saying to do. She said put a slip layer on. So that's what we gonna do there, right? And then she took like a whole big old glob, which that's not a lot. I'm trying to get, I guess, yeah, that's a glob there. And then she took a whole big old glob and put that on there. And yes, I know my technique needs work. We're here for fun. And then like ease it on there. Like ease it into place. And then like wiggle it down. I could use some practice on this, but I'm just gonna try to make some kind of nail shape on here. Some kind of way. That don't look right. Swirl it down. So I don't do hard gel, so I'm just gonna shut up, let you watch me struggle through this, because this is something. Ain't no use in me trying to explain what's going on, because I don't know what the hell's going on. When all those fellas turn that shit around. Alright, and somehow I made it through all my nails. So let's get to filing, because we got some work to do here. I'm just gonna take a good old hand file and just get on in there. And I mean, that's as good as I can get it. So let's move on. All right, we got nail chains. We got some caviar beads. We got some flowers, stones, and pearls. Start off with this finger right here. Randomly placing some things around. Some stones and some stuff. Some big old chunky charms. Little bit at a time. Flash carry it into place. Do some more. And we just gonna hit this at an angle. Going up the nail, going down the nail, kind of up the side, placing the stones and pearls and all that stuff on there. Figure out where to put my flower. Definitely want a flower on there. Them beads sliding away. Uh-oh, whoa, what's going on? That one just slid right on off. Get your butt on here. Just scared that. All right, we're good to go there. Now I'm gonna run this chain. Lay that thing down right on the side of the charms and right up the nail. Try not to twist the chain. There we go. I had to cure it real quick and cut that end off. Next nail. Next nail is a little more simple. Lay a couple of stones down on the base. Take a bigger one. So right there, bam, done. Next nail. Bigger stone, 2 caviar beads. Smaller stone. And get that thing lined up. I'm gonna do the same on the pinky, same on the thumb. Now it's time for our reveal. With the top coat. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is looking better than I thought we were gonna come out. Let's see. And we're finished. Oh my gosh, I did something like it. Now look. Look, these things look just like hers. Who hand is whose? Look just alike. I'm just saying, I know they don't look alike, but they didn't come out half bad. You know, I worked with what I got, and you know, this is what we got. And I think it came out pretty darn good. So if you like coming on this struggle with me, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't know what to comment, just say hi, because anything helps. Help me out for the algorithm. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you again and have a wonderful day. Bye. Jesus Christ, that was something.